In this video, I'll show you how to add a shadow to a picture in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, click the picture to select it. This will open up the Picture Format tab at the top of the ribbon. Select Picture Format. From here, we need to click on Picture Effects. Click this. And then we can navigate to Shadow, and we've got different options to apply shadows. We've got outer ones, and as I hover over, the image will change and the picture effects will be applied. Select the one that you're happy with. There's inner ones as well, and perspective. And if you want to apply different options, click Shadow Options. And then the side panel, we can apply different settings. For the most part, clicking Picture Effects and Shadow and selecting one of the outer ones is the most efficient way of doing it. Select it, remove the side panel, and now the picture has been applied with a shadow effect. To remove the effect, click the picture again, click Picture Format, navigate to Picture Effects, go to Shadow, and then select No Shadow. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about editing and formatting pictures, then check out my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.